This lesson is on solving two-step word problems using addition and subtraction. When we're solving any word problem, and especially word problems that have more than one step, it's very important that we read the problem slowly and understand all of the information. Let's read this problem together. It says, my teacher bought 45 pencils and 30 erasers for the class. She had to return 10 of the items. How many items does the teacher have left? Well, let's look at the important information in the problem first. It says my teacher bought 45 pencils and 30 erasers. She had to return 10 of the items. How many items does the teacher have left? So we know our last step will be subtracting because we see that keyword left. All right, let's go back to the beginning. My teacher had 45 pencils and 30 erasers, and she's going to return 10 of them, of the items altogether. So first we have to find out how many items she has. So we're going to say 45 plus 30, because we need to see how many items she has. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. So we know that the teacher had 75 items. Now remember, she had to return 10 of the items, and we need to know how many she had left. So what we would do is take the 75, that's her total amount of items, minus the 10 that she returned to see how many she has left. So 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 1 is 6. Our answer is 65. Let's look at another two-step word problem. This says, Sam bought 2 packs of baseball cards with 24 cards in each pack. He bought 3 packs of football cards with 10 in each pack. How many baseball and football cards does Sam have? Let's look at our important information in the problem. He has 2 packs of cards, and each pack has 24 cards in it. He also has 3 packs of football cards that have 10 in each of those packs. And then we want to find out in the end how many baseball and football cards. So that indicates we're going to be adding. Does he have? All right, let's go and start to figure this problem out. It says Sam bought 2 packs of baseball cards with 24 cards in each pack. So if one pack had 24 cards in it, we need to add 24 again because it says he has 2 packs. So first we need to figure out how many baseball cards he has. Well, 4 plus 4 is 8, and 2 plus 2 is 4. We know that Sam has 48 baseball cards, but we're not done because now we need to find out how many football cards he has. He bought 3 packs with 10 in each pack. So 10 plus 10 plus 10. We need to do this 3 times because Sam has 3 packs. Well, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. This is his baseball cards. These are his football cards. The question asks how many does he have of both. So we need to take this answer, 48, and we need to add it to this answer, 30, to find out how many cards he has altogether. So 48 plus 30. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 3 is 7. Sam has 78 baseball and football cards. That's our total answer. Let's look at another problem. Lily saved $50. Daniel saved $20 more than Lily. How much money would they have if they put their money together? Let's look at our important information. We know that Lily has saved $50. We don't really know how much Daniel has saved, except that he saved $20 more than Lily. And the last thing says how much money would they have if they put their money together. So I'm going to underline together because that indicates we're going to add to find out how much all together. Let's go back to the beginning. We said that Lily saved $50. We know how much Lily has. Remember I said we don't know how much Daniel has, we just know that he has $20 more than Lily. So what we need to do is find out how much money Daniel has first. So if he has $20 more than Lily, we need to add 20 to 50 because we know she has 50. 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 2 is 70. Daniel, I'm going to put a D right here so we don't forget, has $70. I'm going to put an L up here for Lily. Lily had 50. Now the second part of the problem says how much money would they have if they put their money together? Well, if Lily had $50 and Daniel had $70, we need to add this up to see how much money they do have all together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 5 is 12. So all together, Daniel and Lily have $120. Let's look at another problem. Our club had 80 members. If 20 members left, how many new people would have to join for us to have 100? Let's pull apart our key information. The club had 80 members. 20 members left. That means 20 members went away from the club. We're going to have to subtract that. The last part wants to know how many new people would have to join for us to have 100. So we know we're going to need to get to 100. All right, let's figure out the first part of the problem. Our club had 80 members. Remember I said we were going to have to subtract because 20 members left. So we're going to take away 20 to figure out how many members are in the club at this time. 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 2 is 6. Right now they have 60 members because 20 left. Remember they had 80 to begin with. Now how many new people would have to join for us to have 100? So what are we going to have to add to 60 to get to 100? The way we're going to figure that out is actually to subtract 100 minus 60. That will tell us how many more members need to join the club. So let's find out. 0 minus 0 is 0. We can't do 0 minus 6 because remember, if the number on the top is smaller than the number on the bottom, we need to regroup. We're going to go over here, take that out, make it a 0. We're going to add what we borrowed over here, make it a 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Our answer to the whole problem is 40. We would need 40 more people to join for our club to have 100 members. Let's look at another problem. Kelly is reading a book that has 98 pages. If she read 30 pages one night and 24 pages the next night, how many more pages does she need to read to finish the book? Let's look at our key information. We know that the book Kelly's reading has 98 pages in it. We know that one night she read 30 pages. We know that another night she read 24 pages. What we need to know at the end of the problem is how many more pages she needs to finish the book. And remember, how many more always means minus. It always means we're going to have to subtract somewhere. Let's go back. The book has 98 pages. Let's find out how many she's read so far. We know that one night she read 30. We know another night she read 24. If we add these two numbers together, we'll know how many pages Kelly has read so far. 0 plus 4 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. So far, Kelly's read 54 pages, but the book has 98 pages. So how many more pages does she need to read? Remember I said how many more means minus? We're going to take 98 minus 54 to find the answer. 8 minus 4 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. The answer is 44. Kelly will need to read 44 more pages to finish the book. That concludes our lesson today on solving two-step word problems.